In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to share Spotify Wrapped to Instagram Story. This has become a fun way to express your personality and connect with others. It lets you showcase your unique music taste, favorite artists, and genres, offering a glimpse into your year's soundtrack. To do this, simply head to Spotify. You will want to tap on Wrapped. Onto the slideshow, head to the last slide. You will want to select onto these cards. Once done, tap on Share. Select Instagram Stories. It will directly take you to your Instagram story. Simply tap on Share and it will automatically get shared to your Instagram story. Well, that's how easy it is to share your Spotify Wrapped to Instagram story. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.